Sponsored by Lewis Toyota.
All right, welcome back everyone and good evening. Tonight, fairly mild temperatures that will take us into the next several days where cloud cover will be in and out of the region, but the temperatures, that will be the big story, really taking us all the way into next year. Good 15 to maybe even 20 degrees above average. It will be dry though, not a whole lot of precipitation expected until Monday, where showers will be back in the forecast for the second half of our Monday, maybe even a rumble of thunder or two. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Outside, satellite and radar quietly keeping an eye on northeast Kansas. Not a whole lot of activity right now, but over the next couple of days, we're going to be watching our next system try to organize itself a little bit better. This is what we call an atmospheric river, which is basically the jet stream pulling in all kinds of moisture and depositing rainfall in one specific spot. And right now, Northern California is seeing several inches of precipitation. Now, we're not going to be seeing quite as much rain, but this system will kind of evolve into its own little version here in northeast Kansas by Monday. We'll, again, talk about that in just a second. Outside our Junction City camera, calm, quiet skies underway, partly cloudy skies in the region. Temperatures right now about 28 degrees, winds out of the east, 3 miles an hour. Wind will not be too concerning over the next few days. That average high of 41 degrees, well, today we saw 51, 10 degrees above average. Tomorrow could be closer to 15 degrees above average. And by the time Monday gets here, well, it'll be close to 20 degrees above average. Outside tomorrow morning, we can anticipate middle 30s across the viewing area. Some spots a little bit cooler. Up north, could be seeing some lower 30s near Seneca and Hiawatha, but the last day of the year is going to feel fantastic. Middle 50s expected across the I-70 corridor, maybe some lower 50s up north. This is one of the warmer models, but I'm on board with it. I think it's going to be a great day. And then Sunday afternoon, the first of the year, middle 50s once again. Monday, possibly seeing upper 50s and perhaps even 1 or 2 lower 60s. Wind speeds will generally be out of the south, 5-10 miles an hour. Tomorrow afternoon, 10 to 15, maybe seeing wind gusts close to 20. Not expecting a whole lot as far as wind goes. Tonight, though, cloud cover will slowly move its way into northeast Kansas, and it's not going to go anywhere. We'll be seeing some brief pockets of sunshine here and there, but the cloud cover will generally be in and out of the region all the way through Saturday, all the way through Sunday, and for the most part on Monday, too. Here's what models are thinking as far as those rain chances go. It's not much, but it's still a few days out. Rain could be happening mostly for the east side of the viewing area. And then as we head into early Tuesday, this particular model trying to throw a snowflake or two at us. Not quite on board with that just yet, but know that the weather will become a little bit more unsettled as we head into the beginning of the work week. 31 is what we're expecting tonight. Partly cloudy skies and light winds. K-State plays some football tomorrow against Alabama Crimson Tide. If you're heading out to Manhattan, again, the game is in New Orleans, but if you're heading out to Manhattan, kickoff will be looking at 43 degrees in the post game, generally in the lower to middle 50s. It should be a great day to get outside and enjoy some football weather. Our forecast for the next 6 to 7 days, we're tracking middle 50s for the weekend, and New Year's, of course, bringing in some lower 60s by Monday. That's right, we're heading further into December, well, now January, Denisha, and it's looking pretty nice.
Well, before then, tomorrow's weather is looking like party weather.
Party weather.
Are you ready to party?
I'm ready to party.
I'm ready to party.
I'm so excited.
Outside because it feels good, right?
Shorts, flip-flops, you name it.
The whole thing.
The whole thing.
Thanks, Ryan.
Yeah.
Up next in sports, we head back down to the Big Easy. Glenn